next one.
You gotta give me a copy of this, right? Can you give me a copy of this?
Yeah.
Just email it to me. Alright, can you email me this?
I think we're the 6th.
Red. I will.
We monorail pilots are a strange breed. This one isn't ours though, right?
No. Next one. Alright, can we get the Wharton cheer? Hey, come on, raise your beers.
Come by.
Hey. Weather's still here.
Come on, hurry up! Yay!
What happened to the Sony camera? I didn't think
Tanner didn't get me one. You guys are too serious up here.
Tired.
Say hi, Diane.
Say hi to Diane.
Hi, Diane. Hi, Rhonda.
Tell them our secret message. Weather's here.
Weather's here.
Wish you were beautiful.
Wish you were beautiful. Hey, wish you guys were here.
We broke out. It's very healthy.
What happened to Sony
Give
camera?
Diane and Rhonda a message.
And raise our father.
Yeah, we're still the family. Hey! Hi, Reagan.
All right. Hey, Charlie, where's my pin?
Oh, it's in my bag in my room.
Great.
I got the guitar with the gorilla.
Thank you.
So you're like,
10,000 yen?
50. Yeah, sounds like a lot now.
Come by, Rick.
This is going to show this at the prom.
Hi, Ray.
Hi, Ray. How you doing? Hi, Mom. Hi, kids. Last night. I want to wish you a really happy marriage.
Hey, Ray.
Leaving, you got that girl all worked up.
Stephen's trying to sleep. Sleep with his
My sushi partner.
You think I talk to people when they're sleeping? All right.
I know you can talk when you're asleep.
How are you?
Hey, Mark, you got the bump diamond back there or what?
I got the what? Lester used to go to class with us.
Hi, Ray.
Good, Ray?
We're good. Going good. Hi, boys. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, from Tokyo.
All right, boys, raise it up.
Mr. Tiffany, he's still
He doesn't shut up. Look who doesn't shut up. Yeah, exactly.